Hello, Anna.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm great.
Okay. Did you go to school today?
I went to school.
All right. So what did you do today in school?
Um, I I study math and and library.
Oh, so today you studied math and library. Okay. So did you go out during the weekend? Did you go out during the weekend? Yesterday, Sunday, Saturday, did you go out?
I go out.
I went out, past tense, okay? I went out, okay? So where did you go to? Where
I
did you
went
go to?
I went to the park.
Ah, you went to the park. So what did you do at the park?
Um,
What did you do at the park? Hello.
um, I don't know a few work.
You did what? What did you say? You said during the weekend you went to the park, right?
Yeah.
So what did you do at the park? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do at the park? Did you play games? What did you do at the
I
park?
I rode the roller coaster.
Oh, that's nice. So who did you go with? Who did you go to the park with?
Um, with family.
Okay, I went, okay, past
Okay.
tense. I went with my family.
I
Okay,
went with my family.
that's nice. I went with my family. Okay, that's amazing. So, what did you eat today? What food did you eat today for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner? What food did you eat?
Mm, I ate sandwich for breakfast. Um, I ate noodle,
You ate what?
chicken and soup for lunch.
Okay, and what about dinner?
I ate pizza and cola in dinner.
Okay, I ate pizza, cola for dinner. Okay, So what's
Okay.
your favorite food? What's your favorite
Um,
food?
I like eating pasta.
You like eating what?
I like eating cake.
Food, okay? What's your favorite food? Rice, chicken. What's your favorite food?
I like fast food.
You like fast food?
Yes.
I want to know the name, the name. Noodles. Do you like noodles?
Burger.
Burger, okay? Okay, so you like burger. All right, no problem. Okay, so welcome to class today, Anne. All right, so I'm going to share my screen now so we can move to today's lesson. All right, 1 minute, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so in our last class, we looked at lifestyle and health. Okay, we looked at lifestyle and health. Okay, and we
Yes.
practice 2 questions here. All right, so now I'm going to ask you the first question. I told you to practice this. All right, now the first question: do you think people today are healthier than in the past? Do you think people today are healthier than in the past? Do you
No.
think no? Okay, so why do you think people today aren't healthier than in the past?
People nowadays exercise less.
People nowadays do what?
People nowadays exercise less.
Exercise late. Is that what you said? Exercise what? Less. Let's pronounce the word. Less.
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 Okay, so you think people now exercise less. Okay, that's good. So that is why people now aren't healthier than in the past because now people exercise less. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so now let's move to the new question. All right, so now here we are going to start from number 3, this one. Okay, why do people find it difficult to stay healthy? Why do you think people find it difficult to stay healthy? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Why do people find it difficult to stay healthy?
Due to lack of exercise.
Okay, lack of exercise. That's nice. Okay, what else? People find it difficult to stay healthy because of lack of exercise. Okay, what else? Another one. I'm listening.
Unhealthy living.
Okay, unhealthy living. Let me say unhealthy food. Okay, eating unhealthy foods. Okay, give me
Okay.
one more. One more. Let's do one more. Let's try. So people find it difficult to stay healthy because of unhealthy food, lack of exercise. What else? Just one more.
Overwork.
Overworking. Okay. Okay. Overworking. That is stress. Okay. Overworking. All right. Let's use stress. Okay. That's nice. So people find it difficult to stay healthy because of so many reasons. We have lack of exercise, we have unhealthy food, we have stress, okay? We also have bad habits, okay? We have bad habits, like people that have bad habits of drinking, not sleeping well, smoking, bad habits. So these are the reasons why people find it difficult to stay healthy, okay? Lack of exercise, okay? Sitting for too much and not moving enough, okay? When you sit for long and you don't move enough, okay? Unhealthy food, when you eat too much fast food, sugar drinks, snacks, okay? You eat too much
Okay.
food, sugary drinks, and snacks, okay? And the next one, we have stress, okay? Overworking, like you said, overworking, that is stress, okay? And bad habits, drinking, not sleeping well, smoking, those are bad habits, okay? So all these are reasons why people find it difficult to stay healthy, all right?
Okay.
Okay, so now let's move to the next one. The next one here we have here is food. Food. Okay.
Good.
The first question, is fast food popular in your country? Is fast food popular in your country?
Mm. Yes.
Is- Okay. Yes. So fast food is popular in your country. Okay. Because I
Okay.
think it's also popular in my country. Fast food is popular in my country because it is quick. Okay. It is quick and easy to get. Okay. It's quick and easy
Okay.
to get, even though it is unhealthy. Okay, eating fast food is unhealthy, but in my country, it is popular because it's easy to get and it's quick. Okay, so the next one
Okay.
here we have, do you think fast food should be limited? Do you think fast food should be limited?
Mm. Yes.
Okay, yes. So you think fast food should be limited. Why do you think fast food should be limited?
Um, because it's not good for your health.
Okay, that's nice. Fast food should be limited because it isn't good for our health. Okay, it's
Okay.
unhealthy. That's nice. So the next one, what is the importance of eating healthy food? What is the importance of eating healthy food?
Um, Very important.
Okay, I want you to tell me the importance. I know eating healthy food is important. I want you to tell me the importance of eating healthy food. What is the importance of eating healthy food? Why is why is it important? Okay? Why is it important to eat healthy?
Affecting people life.
Is what?
Affecting people life.
No. I said, why is it important to eat healthy food? Why is it important to eat healthy food? I can hear you.
Um,
Why do you think it is good? Why do you think it is good to eat healthy food? Why do you think it is good to eat healthy food? When you eat healthy food, what does it do? What does healthy food do in the body? Okay? When you eat healthy food, what does it do in your body? When you eat healthy, what is the
I can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
No. Teacher.
Can you hear me now?
Okay.
Okay. So I said, what is the importance of eating healthy food? Why is it good to eat healthy foods?
To help people stay healthy.
Okay. So when you eat healthy food, it helps you stay healthy. Okay. It gives your
Okay.
body energy. Okay. So it's important to eat healthy food because it gives the body energy. Okay. Eating healthy food also helps us grow. Okay? When we eat healthy food, it gives the body energy, it helps us grow. Okay?
Okay.
Eating healthy food is important because it gives the body energy, helps us grow, keeps us strong, and prevents sickness. Okay? So eating healthy food is important because it gives the body energy, it helps us grow, it keeps us strong, and prevents sickness. Okay? Can you read this?
Eating eating healthy food is important because it gives the body energy, help boost grow, keep food strong and
Pre prevents, prevents,
prevent
prevents
prevent
sickness,
sickness
sickness,
sickness
sickness.
sickness.
Okay? So when you say prevents, prevents means to stop something from happening. Okay? Prevents means to stop something from happening. Okay? That's the meaning of prevents. Stop something from happening. Okay? So when we eat healthy, it prevents sickness. All right?
Okay.
Do you know the meaning of sickness? Do you know the meaning of sickness?
Sickness.
Yes. Do you know the meaning?
I don't understand.
Okay. Sickness is when you're not feeling well. Okay. When you're not feeling well, that is sickness, not feeling well. Do you understand? Anna,
Yes.
do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So prevents means stop something from happening. Okay. And sickness means not feeling well. When someone say, I'm sick, I'm not feeling well. Okay. So when you eat
Mm.
healthy, it prevents sickness. Okay. It keeps us strong. All right. So this word is pronounced us. Us. Can
Us.
you, okay? Us.
Us.
Grow.
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 Helps us grow.
Help us grow.
That's nice. Help us grow.
Help us grow.
Okay. So when you eat healthy, it keeps the body, it gives the body energy. Okay. It helps us grow, it keeps us strong, and it prevents sickness. Okay.
Okay.
That's nice. So I want you to practice the answers to the questions. Okay. I want you to practice the answers to all the questions. The first one here, why do people find it difficult to stay healthy? All right. Why do people find it difficult to stay healthy? And we talked about lack of exercise. Okay. sitting too much and not moving enough, lack of exercise. When you sit too much and you don't move enough. Okay? The next one we looked at unhealthy foods. Okay? When we look at unhealthy foods, we are talking about when you eat too much fast food. Okay? When you eat too much fast food, pizza, hamburger, when you eat too much is unhealthy. Okay? Sugary drinks. Okay? Sugary drinks. It's unhealthy. All right? Another one here we look at stress. All right? We talked about stress. Okay? When you overwork. All right? And the last one, I said bad habits. Okay? Bad habits. Okay? So when we talk about unhealthy bad habits, we are looking at drinking too much of alcohol, not sleeping well, smoking. Those are very bad habits. All right?
Okay.
Okay? And the next one we looked at is fast food popular in your country. And you said yes, fast food is popular in your country, right? Right, Anna?
Yeah.
That's good. And the last one,
Yeah.
do you think fast food should be limited? Okay? Do you think fast food should be limited? And you said yes. I think fast food should be limited because when you eat too much of fast food, it's unhealthy. Okay? It's unhealthy. When you eat too much fast food, it's unhealthy. All right? And the last one, what is the importance of eating healthy food? The importance of eating healthy food. And I said eating healthy food is important because it gives the body energy, helps us grow, keeps us strong, and prevents sickness. Okay? Prevents means stop
Okay.
something from happening, and sickness means not feeling well. All right?
Okay.
Okay. So now, Anna, our time is up. Okay? Our time is up. Thanks for joining the class today. I'll see you in our next class. Goodbye, Anna. See you in our next class.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night.
Goodbye. Yes, good night.